Hello friends, welcome back again to the video lessons of the IMPACT This is my seventh video for the listening part. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how to find the answer of the questions which reads leveling the diagram. So what you can see, there is a diagram and there are different parts which are written and it has been indicated to a particular point. So you have to say what is this part known as, or if the 50% of the answer is given, then what is the other part of that answer. So as you know, in the question of diagram or in any question, you get some time to go through the questions. So here I'm going to discuss that what will you do when you get time to go through this question. First of all, you need to have a deep look at the picture. So you have to see what is it and what are the parts. Then you have to see number one question. So like see, you need to underline some of the keywords if you can. For example, here you can see like filled with water is something that you're going to get somewhere. Here you don't have to answer. Number two is long what. So this is long what. No question. So this part is known as what? That is your question. So you have to name this particular part. This is nozzle gives dash of water. So perhaps the nozzle comes, or you come at this part and this, and then water leaks through this. So what is this part is known as, right? So these are the parts that you have to name. Once the audio starts, you have to be with your first question. So be ready with your first questions because the answers are always in sequence. You also don't have to worry that wherever a speaker is going on, you have to focus on your question. So first you will focus with what is filled with water or foam. Immediately then you will go here and you will see, okay, and you have to wait, what is this long dash? And even if a speaker goes somewhere else, still you have to focus on this particular part because at first he or she will come and answer question number 2, then they'll go to 3 and 4 and 5. So don't be impatient, right? So I have already underlined, I have the idea, I'm going to play the audio. So let's see that how do I move while playing the audio to get an answer. So I'm going to play the audio now.
Every home and office should have a fire extinguisher. Although there's a good chance that it will sit on the wall for years collecting dust, it could end up saving your property or even your life. So, what does a fire extinguisher consist of? The main part of the extinguisher is simply a large metal container that is cylindrical in shape, rather like a bell jar. In the past, these used to be red, but nowadays they come in many different colours. The container is full of water or some other substance.
You got the first answer. The container is full of water and you have to answer in one word. That is also important. So answer will be container. And then you will immediately move to question number 2 and you will keep
such
waiting
as
for
foam
this.
that can be used to smother a fire. At the top of the container is a lever, and attached to the lever there is a thin extended pin that goes down into a gas can.
So you got the answer. Thin extended pin. So you can see long is already written, so that means extended. So the answer will be pin. So pin is the second answer. Now you look what is this part known as, and you have seen here that the speaker goes up, but that doesn't mean that you will start looking here for the answer because you have to find out the answer of this part at first, and then you will go here to find the answer. What is it?
This looks rather like a small bottle or flask and is right in the center of the extinguisher. Below the lever, there's a curved handle, which is used to hold the extinguisher.
So you got it. So below the lever, there is a curved handle. You cannot write curved handle because you have to write only one word as an answer. So your answer is lever. So that's your answer of this. Then you're looking for this one. Nozzle gives dash of water.
And direct it at the fire. On the other side from the handle, there is a horizontal nozzle that opens when the lever is pressed and emits a jet of water.
Okay.
At the neck of the container.
You got the answer. Mix a jet of water. So give, soak or make both are synonyms. So jet of water is the answer. Now you have to find out what is this part.
Container, there is a small coiled spring that holds the pin in place, and this is connected to a long tube which runs from the spring to the bottom of the container.
So it's a long tube that runs from the spring to the bottom. We cannot write again long tube because we have to write one word. So answer is tube. So why I am pausing the audio in between so that I can tell you that how to find the answer. In the real task, you're not going to have any pause, so you have to keep moving accordingly as I am directing you, instructing you right now. Okay, that's all. So you can have a look at the answer here. The first one is container, second is thin, third is handle, and fourth jet, pipe is tube. Thank you very much for watching this video. In next video, again, we will take a certain type of questions to help you understand that. Bye for now.